Hey beauties, it's Nakia here with a 4-day twist out. I think it's starting to lose its definition, so I'm going to restyle my hair. This is about the end of the week. Before I do that, I'm going to show you my nightly routine. So to maintain my styles, I usually take all of my hair at the top of my head into a pineapple, and then I take my satin scarf and I wrap that around my head to keep my curls and to stretch my hair throughout the week as I maintain my style. And I typically don't reintroduce any moisture because my lock method keeps my hair moisturized. And then this is me just taking the scarf down, shaking my hair to get it in the shape that I want. And then I may pull apart some of the twist to get more fullness and use my comb to kind of fluff out the roots a little bit. But mostly it's just shaping because my hair has been in that pineapple all night and the twists are going in an upward direction. So I just want to pull the hair in a downward direction, as you can see I'm doing here. And there I go, pulling apart some of the twists and some more shaking. And I do this to my liking. And I will be ready to go. Yes. I just love the definition this twist out gave me. And back to now, 4 days later. So I was losing definition, and that was due to the weather in my area because of the rain. So my hair did get wet a little bit. So I'm going to do a chunky twist out. But I'm going to be using flat twist to install them. So as you can see, I put my part on the side. This is the way that I want my hair to fall when I take out my twist. And I'm reintroducing some moisture with my Carol's Daughter hair milk and just working that all throughout the section. And I'm going to be using my curl enhancing smoothie and my argan oil eco styler gel as my styler. And to add some definition, I just love the combo that I just love the definition that this combo gives. So I'm working both of those products throughout a smaller section of hair. So I want to say these are about medium sized to large flat twists that I'm going to be installing. So how I install is I separate the hair into two, then I twist those two pieces around each other twice, and then I start twisting down and picking up hair as I go. And I keep on adding hair until I get to the very end. And then once I get to the end of that section of hair, you'll just start twisting like a regular twist, a regular 2-strand twist. It's very simple. And I don't know how to cornrow, so this method definitely works for me. You can see here I'm just twisting the hair, and then once I get to the very, very end, I will coil it around my finger to secure that twist and lock it in, baby. Alright, so I've done the sides. I did those twists going down, and the ones in the front I'm going to be doing going forward. So again, just reintroducing some moisture with the Carol's Daughter hair milk, working that throughout the section, and my curl enhancing smoothie and my argan oil eco styler gel combo, working that all throughout the section. And this time I'm twisting in a forward motion instead of down like I did on the side. So again, taking a smaller section of hair, splitting that in half, and I'm going to twist those two pieces around each other twice, and then I'll start twisting the hair down, picking up a small piece of hair as I go. So twist, pick up, twist, pick up. And I'm doing this because my hair started to shrink throughout the week, and this method allows me to get my roots and to stretch those out a little bit. So that's going to give me that super defined chunky twist out that I want. And now here we are at the back. So these twists are going to be going in a downward fashion. And I didn't really worry about the parts. I was just grabbing sections of hair and twisting them down. The only part that I was most concerned with was the one in the front at the side. And I just wanted to make sure that was clearly defined because that's the way I wanted my hair to fall. And otherwise, the parts really don't matter. Say hi. Say hey, YouTube. Say hey, YouTube. And here we are on the last twist. So I have that section in the front going forward, those two sections on the sides going down, and the twist in the back going down. And now I'll just wrap my hair up and I'll go to sleep. And I will see y'all for the takedown in the morning.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. See you for the takedown. And here we are, morning time. So I'm using my Wild Growth hair oil. This is the thicker of the two oils that come with their hair growth oil system. And I'm just applying that all over the scalp and in the parts. And I massaged it into my head, get some blood flow, stimulate those hair follicles. And I'm going to apply my Jamaican black castor oil all around the perimeter of my head. So as you all know, my edges and my temples were thinning from a braid installation as well as from some postpartum shedding. And now I'm taking my coconut milk hair serum from OGX and applying that all over the twist. And this is just to help prevent frizz when I do my takedown. And I'm making sure that they're dry. And I'm going to take some more OGX, and I did put some on my hands before I uninstalled the twist. So as you can see, I'm just untwisting the bottom, and then as I get to the top, I'm just pulling apart those smaller sections. And what's so good about doing flat twists to install a chunky twist out is that you don't have to worry about separating so much. So now that all my twists are down, you know, I've did my little shake, and now I'm using my rake comb to fluff at the roots to get a little more volume. And I wasn't a fluffer before, but I am a fluffer now. But even though this is a chunky twist out, there's so much definition. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Nikia Jolyn. And I will definitely be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, I gotta do my famous shake. There you go. All right, beauties, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.